Just made it through that mess right there, and this. It was not bad until the last little section. Threw everything from my top shelves down. Supposedly there's some property for sale right in there too. If we got it, we'd have to have someone grade the road for us. Just saying, but other than that, they're not bad. It's the road sucks. Well, that was a mess. An absolute and total mess. I think it'd be wise, well, if the county doesn't take it over. I don't think the county's going to take over these roads, so. Oh, look, there's some more mud. Whoever hauled that, something else fell off. I didn't even move that much and something else fell off. That's crazy. Whoever hauled that trailer down the road with the full, come on, stop falling off. I just put you back up there with full load of whatever the heck they hauled down. You can see the trailer marks, the outside rims of the trailer squatting on the road. Put some air in those tires, fella. Whoever it is. Who knows? Someone filled up the water and came back in down this road. Oh look, they went straight through. I have no clue. I think I'm gonna follow the farthest right path. Oh, this road sucks. Hey, what the heck is falling off now? Oh, the flower fell out again. I will have to strap that down if I'm going to do too many more roads like this. Yeah, it's a sketchy road. You'd have to have a four-wheel drive if you live down here. I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't know people nearby that could tow me out. Keep going straight. Also, it looks like it's a style of dirt that if once it dries out, it'll be fine. It's just crappy right now. I'd be very tempted if I lived here on getting me a, oh god, look at that shit. Okay, I'm not really avoiding the dirt holes or the water holes as much as I'm avoiding the bumps. I'm trying to get where it doesn't sling all my stuff on the floor again. Probably should have went that way. But let's see what we can do. Sure, someone will be there to make fun of me for going down the wrong road. I think we're free. It looks like it gets okay up here. At least my road, or yeah, at least my rig's strong enough to handle this crappy road. That is gotta be one of the crappiest roads I've ever been on this entire trip. Honestly, I wouldn't even made it down there. This is a heck of a trench up. This gotta be the best section of road I've ever been on. You know, you really can't tell the elevation or how anything looks from it, but look at those RVs over there. I wonder if it's someone I know. Look, there's people I know right there. It is. It's people and a dog. Those extensions are nice though. Come on, zoom in. I'm gonna focus on that, not this, that. Stupid thing. I mean, there's like three things in the way. Where's that go?
Here, I see how we could do it without it. We'd have to raise it up over this, but...
Does that thing bend back down, or is it artificially bent? Or maybe you can twist it.
This guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just... It's rewiring harness is just kind of...
Is it? Wait, why is there solar on the roof? Or is that solar?
Yeah. 250 watt panel on the roof. That bar is a little sketchy.
Oh.
So, but I have.
I can weld it up for you if I break it.
Yeah.
At some point in the future.
The one on the passenger side has already been ripped off because when they installed it, they just welded it to the. It's just sheet metal.
So wait, what did you built it, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you.
When I got it, it was already a Baja, so it's already been.
Oh,
lifted.
okay.
But the motor and all that I built. Me and I have a mechanic that did everything. But
is that a pallet?
Yeah.
That's an upside down pallet?
Yeah. It's actually pallet wood.
Uh-huh.
Took them all apart because I was just going to put a pallet up there and use that as a roof rack, but I couldn't find one that was just the right size.
Yeah.
They were all a little bit off, so actually I just reconstructed one to look like a pallet.
It looks good, though.
Out of pallet wood. Yeah, it works great.
So
These are like cheap roof rack mounts for like a cargo van or whatever, just
yeah. Did you buy the lights like that, or did you,
No, I didn't make them.
Oh, darn.
Mm-mm.
They're really expensive then.
For me. But
are you gonna ever paint it again, or is it gonna stay like that?
Oh no, I definitely want to paint it.
Okay.
Yeah, it just came this way. I think what happened was they crashed it.
Uh-huh.
And because I have all the yellow parts, but they're all smashed.
Oh,
they're
okay.
not really bad, but they need fiberglass work.
Honestly,
so I think they replaced it with the green
I think it looks
stuff.
better this way anyhow.
I kind of like the two-tone. Yeah.
Is that more pallet wood in there?
Yep. So the power station is kind of covering it right now, but this is a bed platform, so I can sleep in here. I have a 13-quart fridge that goes under the bed platform, lithium battery bank.
Wait. So you have a camper van, and then you have a camper bug.
Uh-huh. I made it. I'm making this into like a micro camper because I wanted to be able to go like way off the grid, out of cell phone range, and out of everything, and just get to places that
you'll have
can't
something fun. Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. This was that descend on bend?
Yeah.
I was gonna say it'd be cool if that had dual tires.
Oh yeah. No, that's just their sticker that they made. But this is really the star of the show is the Honda.
Yeah.
It's just about 200 horsepower from the original like 40. So needless to say, it really is really fast.
So did you use the CV off the Honda?
Yep. The transaxle and everything is the original Honda transaxle with the Kennedy adapter plate.
So wouldn't it be running in reverse, or did you have to do something else?
No, it turns the right way. So there are certain motors that don't work like that, but
your starter is easier to access.
I like how at night you have the lights on and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Cool that it has all the LEDs.
Is the suspension original, or is it?
It's all bug suspension.
That's pretty good, actually.
It did did you put any tires on it?
On the rear, yeah.
Okay, I was gonna say these are different.
But I think by the time we went off-roading, I think I already had these.
Oh, okay.
The tires are squatting a little bit off.
Yeah, it has a little bit of that camber. You can index the rear end and straighten that out a little bit. I haven't done it yet, but I'm not worried about that.
So you said that you could you can actually turn it and crank it a little bit and it'll just lift it, right? Because of the way the springs.
Well,
are
yeah,
set.
if you take the torsion bar out of the you can take it out, tilt it down one spline and put it back in.
Right.
And you lift it. That's pretty cool.
You got a rubber gone here.
Oh yeah. Oh, I got a lot of stuff gone up there. That whole front end needs to be redone.
Yeah, this is the wheel that the ball joint broke on whenever we were out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's got one new ball joint. And
Well, that's good, though.
safe. Safe enough.
Safe enough.
So it's rough enough that you feel okay with having problems with it,
And I can
having fun with it.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't have to worry about
And the roll bar is safe enough.
Yeah, it does have a full roll cage inside,
That's nice. It's still bolted to the floor. I guess it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, it's bolted. And this cage around the engine is bolted through the wall, so the bolts
cool.
meet up. It's a pretty legit roll cage. It's kind of old. This has definitely been done like back in the 80s or something.
Yeah.
Because they don't really.
The
This is
heyday
like
of the
an old
Baja
style.
Boys.
They would have built it differently if it had been more modern. But I think it's cool. It's got some history.
Yeah.
And it's street legal,
Yeah.
which is always cool. And it's only one person can be in it.
And it's an antique.
I do have a passenger seat. I could take that bed platform out. It's just a couple pieces that lift out.
Well, that's
I
nice.
put the passenger seat.
That's
in.
good.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
I did delete the back seat.
But your original
dogs
idea was
freeze. Lots of trees. The town is awesome. It has everything you'd ever need. Large city under the major airport. Very green and lush area. Lots of